The landlocked country of Burkina Faso, which is renowned for its creativity and tenacity, is now leading the way by providing its civil personnel with electric vehicles, or EVs. There is more to this transition than a change in transportation. It is a declaration of purpose and a vision for a future that is more economical, ecologically friendly, and sustainable. What makes this important? Let's establish the scene. The high price of fossil fuels has put a strain on its national budget, as it does for many other nations. For instance, the presidential palace alone spent more than 72 million CFA francs, or almost 108,000 euros, on fuel and lubricants between 2020 and 2021. This amount emphasizes the pressing need for affordable alternatives. Saving money isn't the only reason to switch to electric cars. It's about adopting a more comprehensive modernization and sustainability plan. The goal of Burkina Faso's EV transition is to lower operating expenses. For a long time, the high costs of cars that run on gasoline and diesel have been a financial burden because they require less fuel and upkeep. Electric cars provide a sustainable alternative that frees up government funds for infrastructure, education, and healthcare. Take action against air pollution. The busy capital of the country, Ouagadougou, suffers from extreme air pollution brought on by combustion engines and traffic. When EVs are introduced, the air will be cleaner, public health will improve, and urban dwellers will live better lives. Increase local capability. This goes beyond simply bringing in electric cars. The goal is to establish a domestic industry. By the end of 2024, plans are well underway to build an electric vehicle manufacturing facility in Burkina Faso. In addition to enhancing the nation's ability to maintain its fleet of electric vehicles, this project will boost employment, encourage innovation, and establish Burkina Faso as a regional leader in green technology. Encourage sustainability over the long run. Burkina Faso is setting itself up for long-term economic and environmental sustainability by embracing clean energy and lowering its reliance on foreign fuels. Of course, there will always be difficulties with major changes. A strong charging network, an updated electrical grid, and the education of qualified personnel to maintain and drive these vehicles are all necessary for the shift to electric vehicles. But Burkina Faso is addressing these issues head-on, exhibiting a dedication to development that other countries can learn from. Plans are underway to replace the fleet and build an electric vehicle manufacturing facility in the nation, which is anticipated to open by December 2024. The High Authority for State Control in Burkina Faso published a report that exposed the startling level of fuel usage in the government, especially at the presidential palace. The palace spent more than 72 million CFA francs, or around 108,000 euros, on fuel and lubricants between 2020 and 2021. The government is looking for solutions to cut its operating costs as a result of this excessive spending. EV adoption is thought to be a practical way to reduce these costs. Burkina Faso has decided to switch to electric vehicles for environmental reasons in addition to economic ones. It is anticipated that this action will boost Burkina Faso's ability to maintain and grow its fleet of electric vehicles while also generating jobs in the area. In addition to helping the public sector, the construction of such a facility would encourage more people to switch to electric vehicles. Although the transition to electric vehicles is encouraging,